The IoT has been described as the fourth industrial revolution recently by the founder of the World Economic Forum in Davos. Now, you can look at that definition in two ways. The first is that we're about to undergo, or in the midst of, a fundamental transformation in the way that businesses operate. The way that products are made, bought and sold, the way that businesses and consumers interact with each other, the way that we interact with each other as human beings. Or secondly, you can say, as it's the fourth industrial revolution, we've kind of done three of these already and they went okay, so are we overthinking this a bit too much? But I'd like to think the fact that you're all here today, like me, you think that the former interpretation is probably more accurate. And that the transformation we're going to see is going to be unlike any kind of scope and complexity that we've seen previously. The IoT is going to touch every sector in every country on the planet. But for me, the fundamental difference between this revolution and previous ones is the pace of change. The pace of change we're going to see now is going to be exponential rather than linear. And that's going to pose a massive and unique challenge on our ability to access and harness the skills we need as businesses to succeed as the IoT takes place. And this isn't happening in isolation either. We're also seeing another shift in the world of work, and that's the way that employees want to engage with businesses. We're seeing increased demand for flexibility from where people want to work, the hours they want to work, the medium through which they want to be engaged as employees. We're seeing demands for work-life balance. We're also seeing a more transient nature in the workforce. And the job-for-life concept has been consigned to the dustbin. So these two fundamental shifts that are taking place at the same time are really inhibiting businesses' abilities to get access to talent.